Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all my Form 4 students. So we are going to continue with the last part of chapter 1, 1.3, area of sector of a circle and application of circular measures. Previously, we had learned 1.1 radians, 1.2 arc length of a sector, and for today's video, for today's lesson, we're going to continue with the how to find the area of a sector, and under the area of a sector we are going to determine the formula, or we're going to derive the formula of area of sector, and then we are going to determine the area of a segment of a circle and solving problem involving areas of sectors. And for application of circular measures, it's actually a summary of all subtopics: radians, arc length, and also the area of sector combined in a one subtopic application of circular measures. So let's start with 1.3 first. So we are going to derive the formula for area of a sector. Before this, we already derived the formula for arc length. So now we are going to derive the formula for area of sector. So area of sector, the derivation or the method, the process actually the same, because we have the same sector and we are going to use the same proportion. We know that the area of a sector is directly proportional to the area of a circle. Means that when the angle is increasing, the area also will increase. So we are going to use the same relation. We have area of sector, okay, over the theta or the radian, the angle. Then this one is directly proportional. So area of sector is a part of a circle. So we are going to compare it with the whole circle. So if the whole circle, it's the area of circle like this, okay. And then if theta is a part of the angle, the whole angle is gonna be 360, one full circle. And then we make the area of sector the subject. So area of sector means we bring the theta on top. On the other side, we will get theta over 360 multiplied by the formula of area of circle. I hope you still remember. Area of circle is pi r square. Circumference is 2 pi r. Area of circle is pi r square. So this is the formula for area of sector, and this one is mainly used in modern mathematics. So now, since we are in the additional mathematics, so of course we need to convert, or we need to use this unit angle in terms of radian. So we know that again 360 is equivalent to 2 pi radian. Okay, so we change that. So area of sector is equals to theta, and then the everything is the same, times pi r square over. The only thing that is different is the 360. We change it to 2 pi like this. Okay, now we try to cancel the term that we can cancel, which is pi, like this. So we rearrange it. We put the fraction first in front. We get 1 over 2. Okay, here is 1 over 2 times, we put the r first. Okay, it's just a matter of rearranging. R square theta. So we already derive the formula for area of sector. So area of sector is equals to 1 over 2 times r square theta. Proof. Okay, so in general, A is equals to 1 over 2 r square theta. A is area of sector, r is radius, and theta here is the radian. Okay, it has to be in radian. So whenever you see the question, you see the angle first. If the angle is in radian, then it's fine. But if the angle is in degree, so please change it to radian first. Please convert it to radian first. So this one must be in radian. Okay, as you notice that previously we have another formula. We have S equals to R theta. So S here, I hope you still remember, S here is a length of arc. Okay, so why I bring this back, because we can put into the formula of area. So we know that A is 1 over 2. R square here we can write as R times theta. So you can see that R theta is what? R theta is what? Not R theta Arsenal, R theta. So we just substitute back. So actually A is also 1 over 2 RS. Okay. So this formula selalunya digunakan kalau soalan bagi S. When the question give you the value of S, then you can use this formula. Example. Okay, kita buat E dulu. So again, this one is very straightforward, right? 1 over 2, put the radius, 6 square, then you put the theta 1.1 like this. You will get the answer 19.8 cm square, since this one is area. For B, another example, sama juga, 1 over 2, put the radius 10 square, then you put the angle 2.15. Then you press calculator, 107.5. And this is a little bit different. You see, the angle here is not in radian, so of course you have to convert it first. So to convert this 135, what you do is 135 you multiply with pi over 180. So this is the formula, biasa kan. Now since the question asks you to use pi is equals to 3.142, you put inside 135 times 3.142 divided by 180. You press your calculator, you will get 2.3565 radian. Okay, so this is the angle that we are going to use into the formula. So 1 over 2, radius 20 square. Now instead of 135, you put the 2.3565. Press your calculator, you will get the answer 471.3 okay, cm square. So bear in mind, please convert this to radian, because if you don't convert it, you just straight away substitute the 135 here, then your answer is going to be wrong and wrong and wrong. Okay, rugi. Number 4, contoh lain. The diagram, this one shows sector, radius 10. Now the question give you already the value of area. The area of sector is 60 centimeter square. Find the theta. So for number A, just put the 60 into the formula. So 60 equals to 1 over 2. We have the radius already, like this, and then we have theta here. So we want to find the theta here. So kamu susun, kamu akan dapat theta is equals to 1.2 radian. Settle. B, arc length. Again, formula of arc length, S equals to R theta. So R kita adalah 10, put into the formula, theta is 1.2, you will get 12 cm. Okay. Perimeter of a sector. Perimeter adalah arc length you plus with the 2 radius, right? Macam tu. So for C, senang saja, 12 tambah 10 tambah 10, you will get the answer 32 cm. Boleh? Simple kan? Now, kita nak determine the area of a segment. Kalau sebelum ni, kita cari apa tu? Perimeter of a segment sebelum ni. Tapi sekarang kita nak cari area of segment. Okay. Tengok yang A tu. you have ACB and then AOB. For each of the following sectors AOB, find the area of segment. Sekarang ni kita nak tengok dulu apakah dia punya method ataupun proses dia ya. So, if you want to find the area of segment, so basically what you need to do is you have to find the number one area of sector dulu. Okay. And for number two, we need to find the area of triangle. So kita nak cari yang shaded part tu. So to find the shaded part here, we have to minus the area of sector besar tu with the area of a triangle yang dekat yang warna putih tu, then we will get the area of segment. So for these two quantity we need to minus later lah. Okay. So dalam area of triangle, kalau dalam sektor tu dia tak bagi pun triangle yang right angle, dia tak bagi pun yang macam ni. So you cannot simply use 1/2 times time base time height. Okay, you have to recall back again what is the formula for area of triangle yang ada sign tu kita belajar dekat solution of triangle. We have 1/2 AB sin C. Okay, this is another one option. Another option apa? Kita boleh gunakan Heron's formula. So nanti kita akan tengok dua-dua contoh yang mana kita boleh apply pakai formula sin ataupun kalau kita boleh gunakan Heron's formula. Okay, let's see number A first. Ini yang paling simple lah. So, area of sector dulu kita kena cari. So, kita tulislah area of sector. Tentu. Okay. So, we have everything already. 1/2 times 7 square times 1.5. 1/2 r square theta again, the formula. Press your calculator, you will get 36.75 cm square. Next, we find the area of triangle. AOB lah. So, press your calculator. 1/2 AB. So this is A and this is B. So it's going to be the same value. 7 times 7. Sin C, this one lah. Sin 1.5. So please, hati-hati. Sebelum you want to press your calculator, please make sure that your calculator is in radian mode. Please change first. Shift menu. Angle unit, tekan number 2. And you choose the radian. Okay. Now, once you have your calculator is in mode radian, baru you boleh tekan calculator. Okay, you press the value and you will get the answer. This one is equivalent to 24.44 cm square. So, area of segment is equivalent to, you minus lah. So you minus the area of sector with the area of triangle. 36.75 minus 24.44, then you will get the answer 12.31 cm square. Okay, contoh yang pertama. Boleh ya? Now, contoh yang lagi satu yang mana kita nak gunakan Heron's formula. Can. Dia berada pada kedudukan nombor D tu. So for D, apa beza dengan soalan A tadi? Dia tak bagi angle. Okay, so dalam kita nak cari area of sector, of course we need the angle. So how to find the angle? Alright. So if I take out the triangle, because in order to find the angle, we need the triangle. So if I take out the triangle, this is O, this is A, and this is B. Okay. Apakah cara dia? So I have to divide the triangle into 2. That's the only way because I need that right angle triangle untuk dapatkan angle. So when I divide this into 2, of course the length here also divided into 2 equal length lah. So if AB is 15, so kalau cikgu bahagi 2, I will get here 7.5 and this one also 7.5. Now, if the length is divided, the angle also is gonna be divided lah. So, kalau kamu ada angle tu, contohlah theta. So, kalau kamu bahagi dia dengan 2, kamu akan dapat theta over 2 lah. 1 theta sebelah, 1 theta sebelah. Kita tak nampak lagi. Kita pecahkan lagi jadi satu triangle yang lagi satu. Kita pecahkan lagi. Okay, contoh. This is A, this is O. So, bila cikgu dah pecah lagi, so this is 7.5. Kita ada sini radius dia 9. Dan kita ada theta dekat sini. Okay, let's say kita nak label ni sebagai apa-apa je lah, alpha ke, gamma ke. Let's say cikgu nak label sebagai alpha. So, kalau ini alpha, kita boleh gunakan apa? Kita boleh gunakan sin, cosine ataupun tangent lah sebab kita ada right angle triangle. So, for this case, cikgu ada opposite dengan hypotenuse. So, I can use SOH lah. So, sin alpha is equals to, opposite dulu, 7.5 bahagi dengan 9. And then cikgu tekan calculator. Shift sin 7.59. And then cikgu press equal. I will get 0.985. 0.985 ni, kena take note 0.985 ni adalah angle yang dalam radian. Okay, so when you press this one, you get 0.985 ni adalah dalam radian ya, sebab you already choose your mode in radian. So you are in the right track lah. Okay, so alpha here adalah separuh, but we need the full angle. So apa yang kamu kena buat? So to get this full angle theta, so to get theta adalah 2 darab dengan 0.985. So ini yang 0.985 adalah separuh. So if you want to get the full one times 2, we will get the theta is 1.97 radian. Okay. So now we have already the angle. We can cari the sector lah. So for D, area of sector equals to 1/2 9 square 1.97 macam tu. You akan dapat yang sektor tu 79.785. Okay. Untuk cari area of triangle, kamu boleh je pakai 1/2 AB sin C. Since we have the angle already. But I want to show you how to apply the Heron's formula. So, area of triangle. Okay. So, you find first the semi-perimeter. Ingat lagi tak? Semi-perimeter S equals to, kamu tambah semua perimeter ni. Maksudnya 15 tambah 9 tambah 9 bahagi dengan 2. You will get 16.5. Then you apply the Heron's formula. So, A. Ingat tak yang panjang tu? Panjang. Dia masukkan S. Okay. You akan dapat 37.312. So, area of segment. Area of segment equals to, kamu tekanlah calculator, minus je. Sektor yang ni, 79 ni, you minus with the 37.312. You akan dapat 42.473 cm square. Okay, boleh? Boleh ha? Okay, sekarang kita nak solving problems involving areas of sector. Okay. Dia kata kat situ, dia ada garden yang mana radius dia adalah 12. Region PQR covered by grass. Sektor 16 meter. And then the light brown coloured patch is fence. Dia dipagar dan ditanam dengan bunga. Soalan bagi length of arc PR is 14. Find the length of the fence. Dia suruh cari berapakah panjang pagar yang inilah sekeliling bunga tu. Means that we need to find the perimeter kat luar ni. Okay. 2. And then the radius ni. And then the arc. Macam tu. Okay. So, S sampai T kita boleh cari circumference, right? So, buat kat sini lah A. Okay, untuk A, kita boleh cari circumference of half circle. Sebab dia punya circle tu half kan. So, formula circumference adalah 2 pi r. So, formula untuk half circle adalah pi r lah. So, masukkan je lah 3.142 darab dengan dia punya radius 12 bukan 16. Ni adalah radius untuk circle tu. Darab dengan 12. Itu saja. So, kamu akan dapat yang itu 37.704 meter. Settle. Panjang SP dan panjang QT itu adalah bila kamu tolakkan diameter ST dengan radius PQ. So, ini maksudnya apa? Diameter ST tolak dengan panjang PQ. So, diameter ST adalah 12 ni dia punya radius. So, diameter 12 times 2 lah. 12 plus 12. So, 24. Panjang PQ adalah sama dengan panjang RQ lah. Radius kan? 16. So, kita akan dapat 8 meter. So, 8 meter ni adalah panjang SP tambah QT. Macam tu. Okay. So, now we have everything. So, kita boleh cari lah dia punya length of fence. Equals to 37.704 tambah 8 tambah 14 tambah 16. Akan dapatlah panjang pagar dia iaitu 75.704 meter. Settle. Tengok B pula, area planted with flowers. So, apakah dia punya proses? Prosesnya adalah kita cari area of half circle and we have to minus with area of sector. Okay. So, kalau kamu tengok area of sector memerlukan kamu untuk ada angle. So, you have to find the angle first. So, we have the length of arc already. So, 14 equals to R is 16. Then this one is theta. So, you need to find the theta first. So, the theta is 7/8 radian. Settle. So, now we can find the area of half circle first. Area of half circle. Area of circle is pi r square. So, area of half circle is 1/2. Pi kita adalah 22/6. Yang pakai 22. We use a 3.142. And then R is 12 bukan 16. 12 is the radius of circle. Yang 16 tu sector. So 12 square. Settle this one. Minus area of sector. Area of sector is 1/2 R square theta. So 16 square. Theta is 7/8. Like this. Okay. And you will get the answer straight away. 114.224 meter square. Done. Okay, selesai untuk one more example. The diagram on the right shows a wall clock showing the time 10:10 in the morning. Given that a minute hand is 8 cm, dia bagi minute hand ni 8 cm. Itu dia punya radius lah. Find the area swept through by the minute hand when the time shown is 10:30 in the morning. Soalan nak tanya, daripada 10:10 ni, jam 10:10 tu, sampailah yang ke jam 10:30. Sampai 10:30, berapakah area dia? So basically, bila jam minit tu bergerak, dia telah membentuk satu sektor. Okay, so kita dah ada sini 8, dia punya radius. And kita nak cari dia punya theta, angle. So, kalau kamu tengok jam, is a full circle. And then, when you see the hour punya hand and minute punya hand dengan second punya hand. Okay, if you can see, it's already divided into 3 equal parts. So, 1 full circle adalah 2 pi ataupun 360. So, to get the theta, you just take the 2 pi divided into 3. So, this is the angle already. This is the angle already. Okay. So, kamu tekan calculator, you put the 3.142, you will get 2.095 radian. Sini. Okay, so now we have the radius, we have the angle, we can find the area. So for number A, area is equals to 1 over 2, radius is 8 square, and theta is 2.095. You put into the formula, you akan dapat jawapan dia 67.04 cm square. Find the angle if the area swept through by the minute hand is 80 cm. This one very straightforward. 80 adalah area, put into the formula, you have the radius and you find the theta. So, susun-susun kamu akan dapat theta dia equals to 2.5 radian. Okay? And the last but not least, application of circular measure. Ini just dia punya soalan tu lebih mencabar lah. Means we have to apply everything that you have learned in chapter 1. Okay ya. Soalan tunjuk kat situ adalah moon shape kite, layang-layang whose line symmetry adalah OS. So kamu tahu bila line symmetry ni dia membahagikan kepada dua bahagian yang sama. Okay. Radius 20. APBR is a semicircle. Radius 20. Radius 20 pula. Radius 16. TRU is also an arc from a circle with the center S with the radius 12. Given the arc is 21. TRU ni dia bagi 21 cm. Find the angle AOB dan TSU. So sama juga macam soalan yang tadi tu, yang cari segmen tu yang tak ada angle tu, kita cari angle dulu. Maknanya kita kena keluarkan dulu dia punya triangle. So if I take out the triangle, I will get, cikgu take out yang half saja ya. I will get here is 20, this one is 16. I want to find this one yang separuh tu. So we have opposite dengan hypotenuse. So again, we can use the sign. So sin alpha equals to 16 over 20. Make sure your mode is in radian. So when you press a shift sign, you will get the alpha is equals to 0.927 and then you darabkan dengan 2 ya. Because you want to get the full one here. So for A, angle AOB is equals to 1.855 radian. Okay. And then TSU, we can use the arc length to get the angle. So 21 cm equals to R is 12 and then times theta, which is the TSU. So you akan dapat angle TSU equals to 1.75 radian. Okay. B, perimeter of the kite. Maksudnya yang pink ni lah. So you have to find the sector punya arc length and then circumference of the half circle and then we have to find the perimeter yang TSU punya sector. Okay, let's do this together. So we find the arc dulu. Arc AQB. So formula for arc adalah R theta. So R kita adalah 20 multiply with the theta 1.855, you will get 37.1. And then we find the circumference. Circumference ARB. Formula circumference half circle adalah pi R. So pi 3.142 darab dengan radius dia which is 16 16, you will get 50.27272. Okay. So, dah dapat semua kan? So, kita boleh cari dia punya perimeter. So, perimeter equals to 37.1 plus 50.272 plus 21 plus 12 dengan 12. 12 plus 12. So, yang akan dapat perimeter dia adalah 132.372 cm. Settle untuk perimeter. C, kamu nak cari area of a kite. So, bila kamu nak cari area of a kite, kamu kena tolakkan semicircle ABR, area, dengan segmen AQB ni. Segmen AQB. Yang putih ni. Yang putih yang bawah ni je. Segmen bawah ni yang kuning ni. Tu. Tapi, untuk cari area of segment, kamu kena tolakkan sektor dengan triangle AOB. So, banyak sikit benda kita kena cari kat sini. So, first cari dulu area of sector dulu. So, area of sector 1/2 R square, 20 square. Theta is 1.855. You will get area of sector is 371. Okay. Then we find the area of triangle dulu. Area of triangle 1/2. AB sin C boleh. AB kita adalah 20. 20 sin apa? 1.855. Kamu akan dapat 191.977. Serta yang tu. And then area of semicircle, area of half circle. Area of half circle equals to, satu circle adalah pi r square. So, kalau half circle, 1/2 pi. And then r kita pakai 16 square. So, area of half circle kita akan dapat 402.176. Okay. Ada lagi tak kita tinggal? Ada. Yang ni. Area yang sektor TSU equals to 1/2 12 square theta. Theta dia adalah 1.75. Okay, kamu akan dapat 126 kat sini. 126. So, last kali adalah kita punya conclusion. Area tu. So, to find the area, half circle, cari dulu segmen lah. Segmen. Area of segment ni. So, segmen yang kuning ni adalah sektor 371 tolak dengan area of triangle dekat atas ni. 191.977. Okay. 371 minus 191.77. Kamu akan dapat 179.23. So, 179.23. Okay. So, segmen dah dapat. So, kita nak cari yang warna pink saja. So, in order to get this pink, you have to take the area of half circle, 402.176. Kamu kena tolak dengan area of segment, which is 179.23. Dan jangan lupa, tambahkan juga dengan area of sector TSU tadi, 126. 126. So when you press everything, you akan dapat jawapan dia. Area of kite adalah 349.18 cm square. Dah selesai. Okay. Boleh ya? nanti boleh pause video ni tengok dia punya solution. So, kita dah habis dah chapter 1 basically. Kita ada how to convert radians into degrees and vice versa. And then we also learn the arc length of a circle dan macam mana kita nak cari perimeter of segment. Dan juga area of sector formula hari ni. Dan macam mana kita nak cari area of a segment, where we need to apply the formula for area of triangle dan juga Heron's formula. So, itu saja untuk video kali ini. Panjang sikit kan? Dan kita akan jumpa di video yang seterusnya. Thank you class. Bye-bye.